Mhm. Is that the one that they promised me when I speak to them about the lost tablet? Or because I never received anything, I never applied for a Google Pixel. What is that gonna be sent to me again? Okay. Yes. Those are the lost one. Yes. So is this the lost tablet line? It's not really a Google Pixel phone, right? Okay. I just want to double check. Yeah, it's just concerned me. Like, never, nobody get a Google Pixel. So those two lines are already canceled, right?
Di pa dumating?
Very good. Yeah, because we still want to take advantage of that buy one get one tablet, but I'm waiting for them to clear all this canceled one before I get a new one. Well, that's what at least they told me. Kamaya told me to make sure that everything is canceled before going to the store again. Thank you. On your order. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I just want to double check on that one. Okay, I think we'll just wait then because I don't want to go get a new one and then there's going to be a hassle with these two tablets still not canceled on my account. Okay. 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 Yes. So I think that's the one that I'm trying to do the last time and it just kicked me out.
We're
Thank
not
you.
sleeping.
Mm-hmm. Okay, says okay, I'll give you the temporary PIN number. 871-051. It's 9353 West Twain. TWAIN. And that's Avenue. West Twain Avenue. Apartment 167 in Las Vegas, Nevada 89147.
This is like seventh grade, I think. Or seventh grade summer.
Correct.
That was a
167.
fresh. That was your. That was winter.
Mm.
Correct.
That was in winter.
167. Yes.
Yeah, like what year though?
Seventh grade.
Oh, yes, it did. I actually have a photo of it. Nina is actually.
Just you wait. I have many more videos.
We'll find it.
I think that's it for
Lesa,
now.
what's our country code?
Because
Las Vegas.
I
44?
tried to update my
Huh?
bank account
What's our country
information
code?
the last time, and
Country?
Yeah.
when I speak with someone, they
Number.
said you guys don't
One.
do it over the
Oh,
phone
one?
now. That I have to do it online. So that's what I'm trying to do right now because I have a new
Okay,
bank
sir.
account. Okay. Thank you very
Oh,
much.
this is long ago.
Thank you. Mm-hmm.
This is recent, right?
Right now everything looks cool except those numbers or
First one, yeah.
device that I don't recognize. But thank you for clarifying it.
C.
So I'll just wait for that to come back and then we'll just reapply for the new one. Not for now. I
Sure,
believe
sure,
everything
sure.
just resolved. And your name again?
Wi-Fi calling emergency address updated.
Tiffany. Hey, thank you,
There we
Tiffany.
go.
Such a big
I
help.
got
Thank you
that
very
too.
much, Tiffany.
It's your son, man. Hey!
You too. You too, Tiffany. Thank
Lisa,
you.
what is this? Should I press
Okay,
OK or
bye.
no?
Is the Wi-Fi ringing?
Yeah. Just press okay. Here. They're yours.
That was 8th grade, bro. Come on. Chill on me. This is 6th grade.
Where are we going next? Yeah, we cannot apply for the tablet yet until they give everything back.
Pero baka naman chinarge na tayo, di ba? Charge na yung
Wala. Na-charge lang yung 67. Yung binili natin. Yung ano ni Potato. But they're gonna refund.
And there's
Hindi. They're crediting $12. Na-charge na yung $12. They're gonna credit it back. Kaya pala tumaas ako ng dalawa. Tumaas ng 12,470. Dahil yung kinuha dun sa Tibuco. Pina-direct deposit. Pina-auto-pay ko. What's in
no mom.
Costco?
Asa, you didn't get ice water? You didn't get ice water? Asa, can you get ice water? Okay, go get ice water.
Mom, I don't want to.
Tangin mo, bring it.
Because they're gonna ask if you bought something.
Oh yeah? Before we never... Did, nakalimutan natin yung car wash.
Christian.
Iniwan pala
It's
yung-
Christian home, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's his car.
The keys there. We can ransack his car.
No mosquito bite here?
Let Eliza clean the car. The car.
How can you finish the venti, girl?
This is Eliza.
Maybe December you do your cleaning kit.
Let's go in the back.
Saan?
Right the back.
Doon talaga yung Costco dun, di ba? Doon yung Costco, di ba? Diretso pa, doon na. Doon na, di ba? Ay.
Pavilion Center Drive.
I missed the other apartment.
Why?
I don't miss
You,
it.
you're the one who hated it.
I know.
You've been wanting to move. Well, all of a sudden you missed it.
It was so big.
What's
I don't
big?
like it.
Bigger than our new one.
No?
Yeah, it's big because of the entrance. Because you have that extra dining room. When you go inside, living room is smaller. Rooms are smaller. The only big is the entrance where you can put the big dining table.
Which one?
The laundry room was big.
Laundry room. It's not big, it's separated. Oh, you know what I miss in that one? The pantry.
Which one?
The pantry is huge.
Pantry was big.
That's
Because pantry is both both sides. Kitchen and hallway.
That's right. Throw the one out. Yung mga hindi na ginagamit dun sa isang tapon mo.
Yung ano mo, yung tools mo, dala mo, di ba? Lagi sa ano?
Or throw it away. Things that we're not using.
Wala ko paglagyan.
It's like the big cooler. We have to put it inside the, what do you call it? Inside the house. The closet.
What?
The cooler. Good thing, Mikael's table, you can disassemble it.
Which one?
Michael's table.
Pati,
We took out the
yung mga
leg.
desktop na hindi mo ginagamit doon, nilagay mo sa closet
We
ko.
can throw it away. Okay, no more battery. Let's turn it off.